Hello, my name is Adlan Bachiri and I'm an eco-design engineer within the biomonitoring business at Merck. My role is to implement our sustainability process into our product development process. To determine a product sustainability score, we have what we call Design for Sustainability, or DFS. This is our internal process, fully integrated into our product development process. The idea here is to consider sustainability in the product development, but at the early phase of the project. We do so because at the beginning of the project is not well defined, there are a lot of design choices to be made, so there is enough room for change. So the goal is to guide the product team through our DFS process to help them to do the right choice that will enable them to develop a sustainable product. This is also a holistic approach, which means that we consider all the life cycle steps of the product, and this allows us to see when there is a trade-off between different life cycle steps, when there is. There is indeed a difference in our approach to sustainability goals for improving existing products compared to designing new ones. So as I mentioned, we apply the Design for Sustainability process to products under development, but we have also another framework called Re-engineering Product, which focuses on initiatives that benefits multiple products without changing their function or performance. And this avoids the need for our customer to revalidate the product. In the DFS framework, we aim to be more ambitious, I would say, by integrating sustainability at the conceptual level. And this allows us to maximize our flexibility and create a significant impact. While both approaches target similar attributes, the expectation and objective they aim for are very different. As we focus on food and beverage safety in biomonitoring, we see trends in sustainability that we are following, such as reducing the use of single-use plastic. Due to a lot of hygiene and sterility requirements, we often rely on single-use products, but we are analyzing where we can limit the impact of the plastic and that we sell, but of course without compromising safety and quality for our customers.